come to the application number 5 under the geometrical application of PNC, that is counting of geometrical figure. We have seen how to form the geometrical figure. Next we have seen number of point of intersection. Next we have seen how to count the diagonal. Next we have seen, just now we have seen about how to find the number of regions. Now we will just come to the counting of geometrical figure. Means any of the figure has given, in that subset, like you can say it is a set to subset, one big set has given and we have to count subset all. Like one 10 by 10 a square has given, then they will tell count how many squares will be there. Total squares means total 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, all squares, how many squares will be possible. Or maybe it is given rectangle, 12 by 15 rectangle is there and you have to count all the square, 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, or all rectangle you have to count, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, all type of rectangle you have to count. Means you can say basically these also will be best applicable for one to many. If you will start with one unit or unitary way, then you will be able to predict or you will be able to find some pattern. That will be easy. Then under this again I have divided in 2-3 cases, or you can say first case is given figure is a square, n into n square is there. Just suppose n into n square is there, and out of that you have to count number of squares, number of rectangles, number of non-congruent rectangles. Then here just suppose 1 by 1 one square is there, then how many square you will get? Number of squares, NOS, it is 1 square, only one square is there, only one. Now just suppose if you are getting 2 by 2 square, then how many square will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and one bigger one, this bigger one, means total will become 5. How you can write 5? 1 square plus 2 square, there is no problem. Next if you are taking 3 by 3, then how many square will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 will be sure, this is small square. Again this is 1 by 1, 2 by 2 we can count like this one. You can count 2 by 2, then 2 by 2 you will count how many will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this you have to count all 2 by 2. Again one big square will be there, that is 3 by 3. Then total will become 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. What is coming total value? 9 plus 5, it will become 14. Correct? Means earlier this was 5, 1 plus 4, it was 5. 5 plus 9, it will become how much? 14. Means total 14 square will be there. 9, 1 by 1. Again remaining will be there. 1 will become 3 by 3. Means total 9 and 10 will be out. 4 will become 2 by 2. 4 square will become 2 by 2. Then total 14. Similarly, if you are taking 4 by 4, then we have to just generalize 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square. Then summation of n square will give you the number of squares in any of the n by n square figure. Then we can just generalize total number of squares will be equal to summation of n square, and this formula we know, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Total number of rectangles, or any point of time if you are just getting any confusion in this formula, then without hesitation or without feeling any guilty, formula याद नहीं है क्या करना है, कैसे रिकॉल करना है, बस एक छोटा सा स्क्वायर लगाना है. Just you make another square. I am 100% sure you will able to get the pattern. It will take hardly 2 to 3 seconds. It is not going to take your 1 minute or 2 minutes. It will take hardly 2 to 3 seconds. You will get the pattern. And if you are not remember the formula also, that will be welcome, and you will be able to solve the question in correct way without burden of remembering the formula. But if you are able to remember this pattern, then automatically formula will go to the brain. What I am telling, no need to memorize. Once you understood this pattern one to many, automatically this formula will go to the brain. But anyway, if you revise 2-3 times, it will be perfectly fine, and chances of error will negligible, because that is also one of the point for especially examination. If you want to do very excellent in CAT or any exam, then you have to become perfect, or you have to reduce your error. Then if you remember, then your error will be totally reduced. It will become negligible. Total number of squares will become summation of n square. Total number of rectangles, just we have to, here all square will be included. Any, if we are telling rectangle means a square will be included, or we can say a square is a just subset of rectangle. Then it will become summation of n cube. Then we can write n into n plus 1 divided by 2 whole square. Simple, we know this formula, this is not big thing. Total number of non-congruent rectangle means here, if you are counting total number of rectangle, means similar type of rectangle also coming, similar type of a square also coming, all are coming. Like just we have seen in figure, like all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All 9 are same. All 9 are 1 by 1 square, but we are just counting how many are there. But just suppose if we want to count non-congruent, then in place of these 9, we have to count only 1. Means only one type of a square will be there 1 by 1. 1 by 1 will be only one square. Then same way, if you want to count total number of non-congruent rectangle, then this will become summation of n. And you will able to correlate with the pattern of number. The summation of n into n plus 1 by 2, or you can say it is nc2. Just a n plus 1 c2. N plus 1 c2 will be how much? N plus 1 into n divided by 2. Similarly, n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Matter is same. Matter is same. Now just we'll take one special case, that is case of chase. Chase is a 8 by 8 a square figure. 8 by 8 will be given. Then total number of a square in chase will become 204. Total number of rectangle will become 1296. If you are able to remember, it will be well and good. Because based on the chase problem, you will get some other kind of problem. Where data of chase, you have to use ready-made way. Then if you are able to remember, that is very easy. Just to put in this formula, n square, summation of n square, n equal to 8 means 8 into 9 into 17 divided by 6, you will get 204. Total number of rectangle again 36 square, because summation of n up to 8 you will get, like summation of n up to 8 you will get 36. Then summation of nq, just to make the square, you will get 1296. Summation of n, it is 36. 36, 204, 1296. Or you can summation of n square, summation of nq for the value of n equal to 8. Whatever value is coming, that will be applicable for